Welcome back to our new home tour. Today we present a outstanding home with mind-blowing interior design. It is a 4 BHK duplex home design with flat roofing. All four sides of the yard are walled with beautiful gate. Exterior decorations are done very attractively. White color paint along with wall caddies bring the elegant look to this home. Moving on, we entering the dining area. Wooden table with chairs are arranged here. Open style vast spaced sit-out is designed here. Porches are attached with the sit-out designed at left side. 3 beautifully decorated pillars are built at front area. Two single panel windows and doors are designed in sit-out. Wooden chair and white and black combination floor tiles also bring stylish view to sit out. LED spotlights are done on the ceiling. Moving on, we entering the living area. Beautiful sofa sets and show walls are arranged here.